everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you guys a different type of video. So this is the Reset Diet by Harley Pasternak. I'm so excited to show you guys phase 1 of this diet. Currently right now I'm on phase 1, and basically I'm going to be showing you guys the recipes for the smoothies and the crunchy snacks, and I'm going to be telling you guys when I have the smoothies and the crunchy snacks. So let's go. Okay. Yeah, it's a vibe today. This is my workout outfit. My training bra is from Nike and my pants are Adidas. Like today. So for the first recipe for the smoothie, I'm using 5 almonds. So I have my blender here. This is the Ninja, I believe. So I'm gonna drop in about 5 whole unsalted almonds. So I dropped in 3 so far, so I need to drop in 2 more. And then next, we're gonna put a whole apple in here. Make sure you take out the seeds. So I put the whole apple in here, but without the seeds. Now I'm gonna add in a frozen banana. So this is a fresh banana that I bought, and I just cut it up, put it in a Ziploc bag, and I put it in the freezer. So we're gonna put this in here. So a whole banana. Now we're going to take Greek yogurt. Make sure the Greek yogurt that you're going to use is 0%, because this means that it is non-fat. So we're going to take 3/4 of a cup and we're going to place it in here. So I do have 3/4 of a cup in here. So now I'm going to place it into the blender. Make sure you take every single thing out of here. Now I'm going to take 1/2 cup of skim milk. Skim milk is non-fat milk. If you don't know, it's 0% fat. There's 1/2 cup of milk that's in the measuring cup. Place it into the blender. And now you need 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay, let's see if I can do this. Woo, this is very hard with one hand. So we have 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay, now we're going to blend it. This is the fun part. All right, let's get to making a smoothie. Oh, let's mix it up and sing. So for my snack, I have a whole cucumber. So I'm gonna cut up a whole cucumber to eat for my snack. And basically for snacks, I like to stay within the 150 to 165 calorie count range. You can have snacks that are like 200 calories and less, but I like to stick within a range because I feel more dedicated to that, because I know, okay, I'm eating this all the time. So I like to eat about 160 calories per a snack. So this cucumber, I believe, is like 45 calories for the whole thing. So the hummus that I like to eat is the roasted garlic. So good. So this is my breakfast. So the hummus is actually 3 tablespoons because I did the math. If it's 2 tablespoons for 80 calories, so 1/2 of 2 is 1, so that means that's 40 calories. So it's 3 tablespoons of hummus and 1 whole cucumber, and then this is my smoothie. Let's try the smoothie to see what it tastes like. Okay, I'm trying this on camera for you guys. This tastes really good. I like the cinnamon in it. Cinnamon's really good for you guys. This smoothie slaps. It's so good. This one's pretty good. I like this. And you can taste the banana. Kind of tastes like apple pie. It's a very good smoothie. Not much sugar in it either. Love this. So I'm gonna finish my smoothie, eat my crunchy snack, and then we're gonna come back around lunchtime. I'm gonna show you guys the smoothie then and my snack. Also too, I have errands to run with my mom because I have to pick her up from work. So with that being said, I'm gonna have my lunch early, unfortunately, because she finished work at 1, I think. So I have to have it around 1 o'clock. So you'll see me around that time. So it is 1 o'clock right now. I'm gonna have my crunchy snack now and my smoothie. I'm gonna show you guys what my smoothie looks like and the crunchy snack. I'm gonna explain it to you. So this is smoothie number 2. You have to have 3 smoothies a day and 2 crunchy snacks. So we're on to the second smoothie and snack, okay? So I like to have my smoothie with my snack. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have my second smoothie with my snack because I have to go pick up my mom from work. And then we're gonna run some errands. So I'm gonna show you guys the next smoothie. All right, so you're going to need 1 scoop of protein powder. I'm using the Pure Protein. This one's really good, I like this one. And then you're gonna need 1 cup of raspberries, 1/4 of a cup of blueberries, half a orange. This one looks really weird because when I opened it, I was like, is this a grapefruit? But it's actually an orange, I tried it. It's an orange. It's very strange why it's that color. And then you're gonna need 1 tablespoon of flax seeds. So we're gonna put everything in there. So we're gonna put 1 cup of raspberries in there. Make sure you get everything out of here. Like scoop it all out with my fingers. Okay. Then we're gonna put the 1/4 of a cup of blueberries in there. And then we're gonna put the orange in here. Just breaking them up right now. You guys can see I'm only using 1 hand. It's hard to hold the camera in your hand and do stuff in the other hand. So put that in there. Then we're gonna put our 1 scoop of protein powder in there. And then 1 tablespoon of flax seeds. Make sure it's the grounded flaxseed that you're using in there. Okay, so it's time to blend. So this is our lunch. Okay, we're gonna add some water in there because it needs a little bit of help. So just a tiny bit of water because you don't want it to be watered down. So I'm just gonna add a little water. Okay. So this is what the smoothie looks like. I'm gonna try it on camera so that you guys can see my reaction. That's what it looks like. And then this is my crunchy snack. So this is about 180 calories. So I have about 28 carrots here. So 28 carrots is equivalent to 60 calories. And then I have my 3 tablespoons of hummus, which is about 120 calories. So this is my lunch. Okay, I'm gonna try the smoothie. Here it goes. Okay, I'm not the biggest raspberry fan. I'm gonna tell you that straight up. I don't like how raspberries taste. If you like raspberries, you'll really like this smoothie, but I'm not the biggest raspberry fan, but it's not bad. You can taste the protein for sure in this, and you definitely taste the raspberries. and you taste the flax seeds. The blueberries I don't really taste as much. Now I'm gonna have my crunchy snack. That was my dad that passed. I love carrots. Carrots is my favorite vegetable. I like it as a drink, and I like it as a solid food. Hummus is so good. Okay guys, so I am back. It is 4:20 and I just came back from Costco. I picked up my mom, we ran some errands, and now I'm gonna make my last smoothie. And this smoothie is a smoothie that I've never tried before, so I hope I like it. The first one was very good. Second one, I'm not a raspberry fan, but that's okay. I'll have to grow to love it, but I'm gonna try a new green smoothie, and I wanna know if this is gonna taste good because it has lime juice in it. It has pear, so should be good. I think I will like it. So we're gonna make it right now. All right, so let me tell you guys what I have here for the smoothies. So I have 2 cups of spinach, 15 grapes, about 2 limes, which is about 2 tablespoons. Have 2 tablespoons of avocado, 1 whole pear, and 3/4 of a cup of Greek yogurt, which is 0% non-fat. It's gonna blend this up. This is our last smoothie for the day. I'm putting my 2 cups of spinach in here, my 15 grapes, my whole pear, 2 tablespoons of avocado, 2 tablespoons of lime, which is pretty much 2 limes, and 3/4 of a cup of Greek yogurt, non-fat, 0%. Put that all in here. You don't have to add any water in this just because it's not frozen. Nothing in here is frozen, so you don't need to add any water. Okay, blend, blend, blend. My mom's saying to put it in a glass.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put it in a glass just to make her happy, right?
Yeah.
It's behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes, but don't want to come on camera. Okay. All right. So this is the last smoothie of the day, and I'm gonna grab a straw because I need one. Because I'm wearing lipstick and I don't want to get my lipstick on the glass.
Mm-hmm. Never that.
All right.
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's mix it up. Ah.
How does it taste?
Tastes good. Yeah,
See this face of a lion.
I can taste the spinach. It's very potent in here. I can taste the grapes.
Can you taste the kale? Can you taste the kale?
There's no kale in here.
Oh.
It's not bad, but I feel sorry for you guys when you have to put the spinach in it because it's not like the greatest, but unfortunately this is what you have to do to be able to boost and speed up your metabolism. It's not bad. It's not something that I'm gonna wake up one day and be like, oh, I'm gonna make a green smoothie with spinach in it. No, it's not that kind of smoothie. This is a smoothie that I'm forcing myself because of determination. Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You got to see what it's like on phase 1 of the reset diet, what the smoothie's like, what the snacks are. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you comment down below and let me know if you're gonna try any of those recipes, if you are going to change one of the recipes that's in there for a different one, substitute. Yeah, make sure you share it with your friends, like this video, And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.